Mathematics class of class 8. Today's date is 24th April 24/04/2020. If we write this date in other format, this is date, month, year. If we write in this way, first write month, next date, next year, in this way, 4/24/20. We have already learned middle term factor. So today we start the next part of the middle term factor, next exercise of your book. This is, so if we take any problem resolved into factors, question is that same things resolved into factors, 4x square plus 24x plus 20. Why we take this? This 4, 24, 20. Here the coefficient are 4, 24 and 20. Clear? Now solve it. How we solve it? Just we have to middle term factor. So in this case, first we find the factors of 20 and 4. 20 and 4 and this 24. So it is very easy. This is plus sign, this is also plus sign. So we take positive. Very easy sum. This is this one, 4x square plus 24 means 20 plus 4 x plus 20. 4x square plus 20x plus 4x plus 20, that is from these two common portion is 4x, then you get x plus 5, and from these two the common portion, if we take common 4, then we get again this is x plus 5. 4 is common, x plus 5. Now x plus 5 and x plus 5 common to the both. So if we take x plus 5 common, then we get 4x plus 4, or if we again take 4 common, then x plus 5 and this is 4 is common, so it is x plus 1. So final answer will be 4 into x plus 1 into x plus 5. This is the answer. We start in this way, 4, 24, 20, in this way. Coefficient of x squared is 4, coefficient of x is 24, and coefficient of constant coefficient is 20. Most of the students do this sum in this way. First multiplying these two. If the question is 4 and 20, first multiply this. That is 80. Next find the factors of 80. 2, 40, 2, 20, 2, 10, 2, 5, in this way. Then take 5 into 2 into 4. Sorry, 5 into 2 into 2. And these two are remain 2 into 2. 5 into 4, that is 20, and this is 4. 4 into 20, that is, consider this 80, and 4 plus, sorry, 20 plus 4, that is 24. But in my point of view, it is not required to multiply this. We have to find the factors of this. So just we find the factors, then you get the result. Just find 20 factors of 20, 10, 2, 5, and factors of 4, that is 2, 2. Now all the factors, we require the factors, not the multiplication of this. It is very easy. 4 into 20, that is 80, easy multiplication. For complicated multiplication, this is not required. We require only the factors. So we take the factors 2 into 2 into 5, 2 into 2. So we get the same. This is 4 and this is 20. Here we also get this 4 and 20. So we take these three factors are together, that means 20, and these two factors together, that is 4. 4 plus 20, that is 24. No need to multiply this factor and that factor. Just find the factors of these two, we get the answer. No need to multiply. Repeat, no need to multiply this. In this case, multiplication is easy, but some other problems, multiplication is not so easy. So just find the factors of coefficient of x square and find the factors of constant coefficient. Then we try to solve this problem. Okay. Next we start exercise 13.2 in your book, problem number 3, 1-3. 2m square plus 7m plus 6. Here you see that coefficient of m square is plus 2 and coefficient plus constant coefficient is plus 6. So we have to add the factors of 6 and 2 to get 7. I repeat once again, 6 plus 2, 12. It's not required here. Just find the factors. 2 factors of 2 is 2 and 1, so it's not required. Just find the factors of 6. Factor of 6 are 1 is not required. So other than 1, the factors is 2 and 3. And another factor is 2 here. So the factors of 6 and 12 is 2, 3 and 2. Other than 1 and that itself. So 7. We see that 2 plus 2, that is 2 plus 2 is 4 and plus 3, if we add again then we get 7. And so if we use all the factors, so we get this 4 plus 3, that is 7. So convert it in this way, 2 into m square plus 4 plus 3 into m plus 6. Here we add these two factors. Why? Since the constant coefficient and the coefficient of m square are in same sign, so we add this. That is equals to 2m square plus 4m plus 3m plus 6. From these two take 2m common. Then we get m plus 2. And from these two, if we take common is 3, then we get again m plus 2. Now m plus 2 and m plus 2 is common to the both. So we take m plus 2 is common. Then it will be 2m plus 3. Okay, this is the answer. Next, question number 1-4. 6x square minus x minus 15. Again, I repeat, 15 into 6, 90. It is not required here. Just find the factors of 15 and factors of 6. 15 can be written as 3 into 5. That means factors 3 and 5. And 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Now, this is minus. And in front of 6 is plus. So 6 and this is minus 15, plus 6 and minus 15. These are in opposite in sign. So we have to subtract factors of these two to get 1 here. The coefficient of x is minus 1. So coefficient, if we take numerical value, then it is 1 only. Now considering this way, from this 5 and 2, 5 into 2 that is 10 and 3 into 3 that is 9. 10 minus 9 that is nothing but 1. 10 minus 9 that is nothing but 1. So write in this way, 6x square minus 10 minus 9 into x minus 15. That is 6x square minus 10x minus plus 9x minus 15. Now from these two, common term is 2x. Common term is 2x. So if we take 2x common, that is 3x, and this is from 10, it is 10x. 2x is common, this is minus 5. And from these two, common term is 3. If we take 3 common, then we get 3x minus 5. Now 3x minus 5 and 3x minus 5 common to the both. So again, if we take 3x minus 5 common, then we get from this 2x, and from here we get 3. So factor is 3x minus 5 and 2x plus 3. This is the answer. Okay, is it clear? Now you can see it. Okay. Next, we start another problem. Problem number 6 of that exercise, same exercise 13.2. It is given 6m square minus 11mn minus 10n square. This is also middle term factor. How? M square, power is 2, here is m, power is 1. Clear? Here m is absent. Or in other way, if we start from here, so this is n square, power of n is 2, power of n is 1, n is absent here. So in the both the cases, it is the Milton factor of two variable m and n. Now this is the, in front of this coefficient is negative sign in front of n square, and in front of m square this is plus 6. This is plus 6, this is minus 10. So we have to make 11 using the factors of 6 and 10 and subtracting these factors. We have to subtract this to get 11. Now 6 can be written as 6 into 2, the prime factors are 3 and 2, and prime factors of 10s are 5 and 2. Now in this way, take in this way, 3 into 5, that is 15, and take these two, 2 and 2, that is 4. 3 into 5, that is 15, 2 as 4. So 15 minus 4, that is equals to 11, that is nothing but 11. So we write here 6m square minus 15 minus 4m into n, this one, this is 11, and this is minus 10n square. Again write, just open the bracket, 6m square minus 15mn minus plus 4mn minus 10n square. From these two, we see that the common term is 6 and 15, common is 3, and this is m square, this is m, so 3m is common. Then it will be 2m minus 5n, 2m minus 5n, and from these two, the common term is 2 and n, so 2n is common, then you get 2m minus 5n. Now 2m minus 5n is common to the both the terms, so we take common 2m minus 5n, this one, so remaining is 3m, and from this is 2n. So this is the answer, 2m minus 5n into 3m plus 2n. Clear up to this? Next, again we start another problem here. The problem is question number 8. 12 plus x square, 12 plus x minus 6x square. Here you see that the variables here, x square, 2 coefficient, powers of x is 1, this is constant in reverse way. First you can take minus common and convert it, or from this way you can solve it. First, this is minus sign in front of coefficient of x square, and here is the plus sign, constant coefficient. So we have to use the factors of 6 and 12 to make 1, and using this factor subtracting these two factors, obviously factors of these two, taking pair in this way. So factors, prime factors of 12 are 2, 2 and 3, 2, 2 and 3, and prime factors of 6 is 2 and 3. So if we take these two together simultaneously, 2, 2 and 2, that is we get 8, and these 3 and 3 in this way, 3 into 3 is 9. Now we get 9 minus 8, that is nothing but 1. So we take in this way, 3 into 3, that is 9, and 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So here 12 remain intact. This is written as 9 minus 8, that is 1, and minus 6x square. It's okay. Therefore 12 plus 9x minus 8x, this is plus sign, so it is plus, this minus sign, so it is minus 6x square. Now from these two, the common term, which is the common term? Common term is 12 and 9, 3 is the common factor, so take 3 common, this is 4, 4 into 3 is 12, and this is from 3x, and common term of these two, 8 and 6, 2 is common to the both, so we take 2 common, this is x, this is x square, so again x is common, we take common 2x, so this is 4 and minus common, so minus, it is plus, that is 3x. Now 4 plus 3x and 4 plus 3x is common to the both, Then you take 4 plus 3x from these two. The remaining term from this is 3 and from this is minus 2x. So it will be the answer 4 plus 3x into 3 minus 2x. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. Okay, next question. Question number 11 or exercise 13.2. 99 square minus 202 AB plus 99B square. Again, the coefficient a square a to the power 1, 2 and half, 2 and 1, that is half of this. In reverse way, if we this from this b square, this is b, again this. So we solve it by middle term factor. In this case, if we first multiply these two, 99 and 99, I have already told that no need to multiply these two. Most of the students multiply these two first, then again factorize. First problem, like as first one. But my point of view, it is not required. No needed to multiply these two. Just find the factors. So factors of 99, prime factors are 3, 3 and 11. First 9 into 11, that is 3 into 3 into 11. Again, this is also 99, so 99, 3, 3, 11. Now this is plus, this is also plus. So make 202 using factor of these two, adding the factors of these two. So first we take 11 and 11, that is 121, and 3, these 4, 3, multiplication of this 3 into 3 in 3 into 3, that is 81. 81 plus 121, that is nothing but 202. Clear? So start again here. 99 square minus 121 plus 81 plus 81 AB plus 99 B square. Now 99 square minus 121 AB minus plus minus is minus 81 AB plus 99 B square again. From these two, which is the common term? Which is the common term? 99 and 121, both are multiple of 11. So 11 is common, and here is a square and here is a. So which term is common from these two, a square and a? Which term? A is common. So 99 a is common. Sorry, extremely sorry. It is 11 a is common. So it is 9a and 11 121. So it is 11b. And from these two again 9b is common. This is minus 9b common, so we get 9b. This is plus, convert to minus, since minus in outside, so 11b. Now 9a minus 11b, this is 9a minus 11b, is common to the both, 9a minus 11b, and this is 11a minus 9b. This is the answer. Clear? Next we start the next question, that is 12. 2a to the power 6 minus 13a square minus 24. Clear? So factors 24, 3 into 2 into 2 into 2, and this is 2 only. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, these are, that is 16. 16 minus 3, that is 13. 16 minus 3, that is 13. We have to make 13 by subtracting the factors of 24 and 2, since it is negative sign and it is positive sign, that means opposite in sign. So 13 make by 16 minus 3, a cube. Again I see, repeat once again, this is a to the power 6, that is a cube, and this is constant. So highest power of the variable is 6, next power of the variable is 3. I told in earlier class which one is middle term. The highest power of the variable and the next power of the variable must be half of the previous one. I told you in the previous class also. So this is 6, this is 3. So we go through the middle term. 2a to the power 6 minus 16 minus 3a cube minus 24. That is 2a to the power 6 minus 16a cube plus 3a cube minus 24. This is minus minus plus. 2, which one is the common? 2a cube is the common. So remaining is a cube minus 8, 16 into 2, and a cube is common, so a cube minus 8. If we take 3 common from these two, then we get again a cube minus 8. So a cube minus 8 is common to the both, and the remaining term 2a cube plus 3. Again this is 8. This is nothing but cube of 2. 8 means cube of 2. So again we can factorize this. And using this formula, what is the formula? A cube minus b cube formula, factorization formula. It can be written as a minus b. Next a square plus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube, this is nothing but a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So in this case a cube minus 2 cube. So instead of b it is 2. So a minus 2, a square, a into b, that means a into 2, this is plus sign, so 2a, and 2 square nothing but 4, and this remaining intact 2a cube plus 3. So this is the answer. This is the answer. A minus 2, next a square plus 2a plus 4, and this is 2a cube plus 3. First a cube minus b cube formula, a cube minus 8, that is a minus 2, a square plus 2a plus 4. Okay. So next question of your book, exercise 13.2, same exercise 1.16. 6 into a plus b whole square plus 5 into a square minus b square minus 6 a minus b whole square. First we write a square minus b square formula. What is the formula of a square minus b square? Very simple, it is known to you. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, right here. A plus b into a minus b, and this remaining intact, this remaining intact. Why we write this a plus b into a minus b? Or if we write this, then we get the symmetry. Here is a plus b whole square, here is a plus b, and here is a minus b whole square, here is a minus b. Now if we substitute these two values, a plus b is equal to x and a minus b is equal to y, you can choose any other variable also. If a plus b is equal to p, a minus b is equal to q, then no problem at all. Clear? So if we put here x and y, so we get 6x square plus 5xy minus 6y square. Okay? Clear? A plus b is equal to x, a minus b is equal to y, so this is x, this is y, a plus b x and a minus b y. Then we get 6x square plus 5xy minus 6y square. Now this 6x square, now the factors. Now this is x square, powers of x is 1. Similarly, in other way, y square, powers of y is 1, y is here 1. So this can be broken into middle term. So we have to first find the factors of 6, or 6 into 6, 36. If we multiply this, then find the factors of 36 also. But here we just find the factor of 6, that is 3 and 2 and 6, 3 into 2. Now in taking this way, 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are 4. 9 minus 4, that is 5. Why we take here negative, means minus? Here this is plus 6, this is minus 6. These two are opposite in sign. So we have to subtract this factor to get 5. So 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are 4, that is we get 5. Right here 6x square plus 9 minus 4 into xy plus 6y square. Now this is 6x square plus 9xy minus 4xy minus 6y square. This is 6 and 9. The common term is 3, and x square, and here is x, common is x, so 3x common. So remaining term 2x plus 3. And from these two, 4 and 6, 2 is common factor of 4 and 6. And which one is the common of the variable? Here is xy, that is y square. The common variable is which one? That is y. Y and y square, so y is common, y and y square, sorry. So 2y is common, then you get 2x from here and 3y from here. Now 2x plus 3y, this is also 2x plus 3y. Now take common 2x plus 3y and the remaining 3x minus 2y. So the factors are 2x plus 3y and 3x minus 2y. But problems is not given in terms of xy. Problems is given in terms of AB. So we have to again put this value. Since write down here x is equal to, put the value of x is equal to a plus b and y is equal to a minus b. Put the value of this since x is equal to this and y is equal to that. So if we put 2 into x, that is 2 into a plus b, 3 into y, 3 into a minus b, multiplied by this is 3 into x, that is 3 into a plus b, and 2y, 2 into a minus b. Clear? Now 2a plus b, that is nothing but 2a plus 2b, 2a plus 2b, and this is 3a minus 3b. This is minus sense. Again this is 3a plus 3b, this is minus 2a, minus minus plus 2b. So 2a plus 3a, that is 5a, 2b minus 3b, 2b minus 3b, that is minus b, and this is plus 3a minus 2a. You get a plus 3b plus 2b, that is 5b. This is the answer of the problem. It's clear? So this is in terms of AB, not in terms of XY. Next we start question number 3.2 of the same exercise 13.2. X square plus 2ax into a plus b into a minus b. Here this is x square, this is x to the power 1, so it can be do in middle term factor, and these factors are also given, a plus b and a minus b. If we adding these two, a plus b and a minus b, if we add these two, then we get a plus a to a, b cancel out, so we get 2a. Here is that 2a. So we can write this in the same way as before, x square, a plus b plus a minus b into x, and this remain intact, a plus b into a minus b. Now what? X square, this is a plus b into x, this is a minus b into x, this is a plus b into a minus b. So from these two, common term is x. This is x square and this is x, so x is common. If we take x common, then we get this is x from here and a plus b from here, and from these two, common term is a minus b. If we take a minus b is common, this is x plus a plus b, a minus b common, so this is a plus b, this is a plus b. Now x plus a plus b, x plus a plus b, common to the both, so we take common x plus a plus b from these two. From this is x and this is plus of a minus b, that is a minus b. It will be the answer. Next, another question 5. This is ax square, a square minus 2 into x minus 2a. Here let us take variable is x, so this is powers is 2, this power is 1, so it can be solved into middle term factor. It may be in other way, then different things. Here we study about middle term, so try to this in middle term factor. So ax square, a square into x minus plus 2x minus 2a remains same. This is, if we take a x common from these two, a and x is common, so ax common, from this is x, and from this x is common and a is common, so only a present here, and from these two, 2 is the common term, so take 2 common, then the remaining terms are which are, from here we get ax, and from this we get a, so x minus a, x minus a, x minus a on the both. Now we take common x minus a, very easy, then the remaining ax from here and 2 from here, so it will be the answer. Okay, next I do few problems, I give you few problems and solve yourself first.